is not special because we just take breakfast, have breakfast.
Of
But,
course.
as a student, I already have with my friends.
Making breakfast, yeah.
We are good.
Like your dreams we chase in this happy place. Memories we embrace. Sunset paints your face.
BBC. Wow, bright and pretty. Okay, hello BPCians. So welcome back to the Wow, Bright and Breezy podcast. I am Rahman, or you can call me Maman. And today we are going to chat about with our pretty guest star today, and we will discuss a remarkable topic. Yeah. So yeah, first of all, I would like to ask you both of you to introduce yourself to our audience. So who wanna first speaker?
You can first.
Okay, you. Yeah,
Okay.
please.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for having me to this podcast. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Liana. Most of my close friends call me Liana, so you
Liana.
also can call me Liana. So currently, I am pursuing my major in Faculty of Pharmacy at Hasanuddin University, and I am genuinely interested in pharmaceutical industry.
Yeah.
That's why now I dig more about pharmaceutical industry and dedicate a couple of hours to study about it. And also, in addition, I also sometimes do social volunteering in my free time. And also now, I taking several part-time to making money.
Yeah, okay.
To making money as a private tutor. Maybe that's all about my brief introduction.
Okay, before we jump to the next speaker, I wanna ask you. You said you are going to do private. So what private actually?
So
What
I am
subject?
yes, I teach elementary school students about how to read and write,
Oh yeah.
yes, etc.
Sounds good. Okay, next we jump to the next speaker. So please introduce yourself.
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank you for the for a chance to me to your invitation for me to attend here in your podcast.
Yeah.
My name is Nur Hijrah, and commonly people call me Hijrah. I'm student pharmacy. I'm pharmacy student at Hasanuddin University, and now I'm final semester 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
The last semester ya.
Yeah, the last
Okay.
semester, and we will be a hectic maybe for the next semester because
Alright.
we have to arrange our thesis.
Yeah.
And now I'm focused to my study, and sometimes I take like join to community like BPC.
Yeah. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
joining our community. Yeah.
every week, maybe if I have much time.
Yeah.
And now I like to jogging every
Wow.
week.
Yeah.
Because healthy is so important for us. Even we busy to our agenda in at campus, but
Yeah.
we have to care about our health.
Wow.
That's all.
So yeah, that's a good answer. Yeah. So how about you, sis? About that's the daily morning activity. Yeah. From Aja. So what about you? So what is your activity in the morning? Yeah.
Maybe just like the student at university.
Okay.
I wake up in the morning and prepare for my first subject in the class.
Yeah.
So maybe I wake up around 5 p.m. in the morning and worship first. And after that, I will make my bed, organize bathroom, and
Okay.
prepare for my first class. And after that, I will do hectic daily life in
Yeah.
class and meet with my friends, to chat with them,
Yeah.
and until 5 p.m. After that, I will pack my Yeah, maybe just that it is just common like
Common like student.
student at
Yeah.
university.
But,
Nothing special about
Yeah,
Gejala.
but maybe there is there what is it specific routine ritual in the morning in your morning. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe some yeah. One of my routine activity I never pass every morning is
Okay.
making breakfast.
just it, yeah. So
That's it, because it's
yeah,
really important.
yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's
Maybe
Oh.
some people might think it's not special because
Okay.
we just take breakfast, have breakfast.
Of
But,
course.
you know, as a student, I recognize
Yeah.
that it's really important
Yeah, of
for us
course.
to have breakfast in the morning.
Yeah. So the breakfast is very important for a pharmacy student. Okay.
Because
Okay,
we understand.
For the next speaker, so Hijra. So what is your ritual morning activity?
Yeah.
Ritual, yeah.
Okay,
It
about
means that the activity is always due in morning.
okay
So what is that?
about routine morning activity.
Yeah.
Maybe almost same with my friends.
Making breakfast, yeah. Okay.
You're good.
But yeah, I always wake up at 5 p.m.
Okay.
And taking a glass of water because it's so important for wake up our body
Okay.
and balance our body like that. And after that, I pray to do.
Okay. All right.
Pray to
Yeah.
do, and then,
That's your our obligation, yeah, as a Muslim. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
and then after that, sometimes I read my material for
Okay. To review.
my college.
Okay. To review your material. Okay.
Before we go back at campus, before our lecturer give us material that day, and then I'm taking my breakfast for like sometimes I skip my breakfast
Okay.
and because I don't have much
Why did
time.
you skip your breakfast?
Yeah.
Why did you skip your breakfast? Why?
Because sometimes I don't have much time because I
Oh.
have to continue to
Wow.
write my report,
Okay.
my report
Uh-huh.
of laboratory before I collect to my campus.
Mhm.
So I have to like
Prepare your material.
Yeah.
Things like that. Yeah.
so I just skip my breakfast and then maybe I just buy bread
Okay.
and eat at the campus.
Yeah.
And then I go to campus around 7 p.m.
Okay.
around 7 p.m. and I have to take 20 minutes
Uh-huh.
to go at the campus from my bus to go at the campus and then maybe that's all about my routine
Your
morning.
morning. So
yeah.
yeah, it is such a productive activity. Yeah, I think. Yeah. But before we continue in the deep question, actually we have to break first. Yeah. To
Okay.
take a breath. So yeah. Yeah. All right. So after I hear your explain about your daily life, the morning activity. Yeah. So I think all of you guys is such as hectic student. I think. Yeah. But how do you deal with it? Your activity, especially for your study in as a pharmacy student. So I want to force you, Aliana.
Maybe how do I deal with this hectic schedule? So the first I'm in evening before start the schedule in the morning.
Yeah.
I must divide my time because I just have 24 hour.
Yeah.
So I will divide my schedule like the most important schedule. So
Okay.
yeah, I must underline what should I do first.
Okay.
What the important thing should I do. After that, like I also make a list. Make a
Yeah.
list about what my deadline,
Deadline,
my
alright.
report should I do first. Yeah, maybe yeah. I divide into several parts
Okay.
and put it what is the most important thing until the less important.
Yes, important. Okay. So we move to the hijrah. So your friends Liana say that he will make the most important activity that
Yeah.
should do in the morning. So such as make a to-do list. Yeah. And how do you do? Maybe do you have edition for
Okay.
from the Liana tips? Or,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Actually, I agree with Liana from her strategy
Yeah.
about that. I think we have to decide our like priority
priority.
what we have to do first about our deadline, like our task, our report every day, because we are pharmacists. We have to match tasks from our lecture, from our laboratory, and I think it's depend our priority.
Priority,
For the
okay.
example, if you have to finish your task or your report, you have to focus. You have to focus to do it, and sometimes you have to make collaboration with your friend. So I think it's make you be easy. You make
Yeah.
you easy to finish your task, because you have friends to you can ask your friend, you can discussion with your friends to finish your task or your report, maybe like that.
So, well, sounds good. Big thanks for your information, both of you. Yep. So, BPEsians who are there who get inspiration from our speakers inspiration. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good for you, especially if you are still a student in the university. So next, you have to shadow our speaker strategy actually, yeah, to handle, to deal with your activity about your text, your excitement from your lecture. So I think that's a good strategy, yeah,
Thank
to
you.
deal with our hectic in of university. So next, I would like to ask both of you. Uh, what is the challenges subject for you in pharmacy? Start from hijrah, yeah, and how to
Okay.
face it, yeah, how to face it that the subject, the
Okay.
challenging subject. Okay, please.
Okay, if you ask me about the challenges subject in my in my study, especially pharmacy as a pharmacy student, I think I have some or several subject. For example, pharmacology.
Just a minute, enjoying. We can censor if you afraid to mention it. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, because as a pharmacy student, we have to memorize much name of drugs. You know,
Okay. So,
there are so many drugs we have to memorize, because it's basic for us as a pharmacy
yeah.
student. And then I have another subject, like
Yeah.
we have to know about how to make it formulation about drugs, because yeah, it's so important if we want to improve or survive in pharmacy industry.
Okay.
we have to we need the material, or we need to skill about formulation, and
Oh, yeah.
I think it's so many material, and we have to memorize about
The type
yeah,
of drugs.
yeah, the type of drugs, and what indication
Okay, indication.
and then about instrumental. Yeah,
Oh,
we have to know about how to operate the instrumental, because it's so important also in if we want to work in pharmacy industry,
Oh.
and even if we want to work in clinical
yeah.
or hospital.
Hospital.
Yeah. I think it's that's all from me.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the subject. Yeah. That Hijrah award. The subject is very challenging. So how about you, Liana? Liana.
Yeah.
Okay. So how about you? So what are the challenging subject for you, and how to face it?
I think all of the subject in pharmacy is really challenging for me.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Maybe there is a most of challenging.
yeah, yeah. Especially because we don't have a lot of time to study in the class.
Okay.
So yeah, so that's why I think all of the subject in pharmacy is really challenging. But the most challenging
Yeah.
subject is, I agree with you. So it's a pharmacology. It's okay if you want to mention it.
Yeah.
It's really
Okay,
it's pharmacology. Maybe our pharmacy student agree with us.
Okay.
Because it's
Pharmacology. Oh, so what about the? You can explain more about pharmacology. Yeah.
So pharmacology basically is about the scientists study about the effect of the drug.
Oh,
So it start about the how the drug deliver from our body until it excretion
Okay.
out from our body. So we must know all of it.
Oh,
Not just one drug, but we must
Yeah.
memorize all of the drug. But
Type.
and yes, and in this world we have so many drugs.
how to racik, yeah.
Yeah.
How to make it the
How to make the drug?
potion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's a different subject. It's a different
Oh,
subject.
yeah, I see,
So
I see, okay.
in pharmacology, we just focus in the delivery of the drug.
Oh, just deliver.
Yes,
Okay.
and also the side effect of the drug and mechanism of action.
Okay.
Yes. How it could be effective to the patient.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe that's about the pharmacology and how to face with it. And I don't have a specific tips and trick about that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
because also my lecturer told
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
He told me that we don't have a specific tips and trick if you want to know more about
pharmacy.
about pharmacology. So my tips from him just memorize,
Okay.
as much as you can.
Okay.
So just brief it again, and also try to understood the disease. So
The
if you
disease, okay.
understand the disease, you could know what happened with patient and what happened with patient and what make it patient got this disease.
Okay.
So if you could understand it better, so you can choose the best
best patient.
drugs,
Drugs,
the best medicine to to take care to your patient.
All right. So yeah, I think I ponder that's a good information for us as orang awam, yeah. And it's cool, and I think that's very good information for us about the pharmacology. Yeah, pharmacology. So I think as a pharmacy student, we have to memorize all of the drugs, all of the type of potion, indication, and effects of the drugs, of mechanism. Yeah, I think that's all very, very important for as a pharmacy student. So we continue about our discussion about the if you get an exam, so how to deal it?
How to do it?
With that.
Yeah.
So if you get an exam from your lecture,
So maybe I will tell you. So before exam, we must prepare long time before exam
Yeah.
because we have so many topics in our.
So
Yeah.
how many topics?
So in this semester we have 20 SKS. So 20
Oh.
SKS, but
20
one subject is 2 SKS.
Okay.
So it means that we have around 14.
So in the what is it? In a week, how many sometimes you get exam from your lecture?
So it's depend the lecture. So commonly,
But the average? Rata-rata,
commonly one day we have 2 until 3
Wow.
exam.
So how about you guys? How many get exam in a week? In technique.
Only every 4 minutes. 4 days.
Oh yeah, so many
For every week.
per a week. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, from Lau, how about you?
One.
Oh, it's less for than you. Yeah. So okay. Back to the topic. So yeah. I think that's a very good solution or tips from Liana. So how about you?
I don't give you solution by the way. Let's
But yeah, we did this solution.
Okay.
How about you?
About how to deal
Yeah.
about our
How your
exam.
yeah.
Yeah, because like Nurli says that we have many subjects in pharmacy, and after and almost every day we have a quiz from the
Oh, yeah.
different lecture, and we have to prepare before that because if we don't prepare we will get a low score and it will be impact to our score in the last because yeah GPA
What is
and
that?
GPA is like
grade? Oh yeah.
yeah
Get per semester yeah or
it's like great.
grade.
And about tips, I think if you don't know about the material, you can ask your friend that they know about them, and also we can ask our like senior. Yeah,
Yeah,
our senior.
Your senior can quote share
Yeah.
tips or trick to hack
Ah.
exam. Yeah.
Yeah, and maybe I think that's all because the tips is just prepare yourself a long time before you will get exam.
But
So,
commonly, as a pharmacy student, we prepare 1 hour before the exam.
yeah, of course, yeah.
Because we don't have a lot of time to we don't have a lot of time to prepare.
To repeat, yeah. So that's why we have to prepare from the before we get an exam. Yeah, actually.
Because in my how to say like in pharmacy we have three until 4 lecture one subject.
One subject.
Yeah, and it's different exam.
Different, so-
Yeah, from the
But the same subject, yeah.
yeah the same
Okay,
subject.
uh,
For example, pharmacology. Pharmacology have 3 until 4 lecture one
So
one
many.
semester.
And
wow.
every lecture give us the exam.
Yeah.
So it means that every one subject we have 4 exam.
Yeah.
For exam. Wow.
One subject we have
So
for
that's
exam.
sometimes you get exam maybe more than two, 3 exam, just one subject, yeah.
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 Because one subject has 3 or 2 lecture, yeah. Oh, so very yeah. Okay. Next, I would like to ask you about. Are you assistant on laboratory or what? Just student? Yeah, and hijrah. Assistant or what? Just participate to handle laboratory or you indeed as assistant
Yeah.
of lecture your lecture in campus.
Okay. Now I am assistant in pharmacy clinic. pharmacy clinical. From the last year until
Okay.
now, I am an assistant about how to handle my practican.
Okay.
Let's say practican, and I'm assistant.
Okay.
Actually, I have a schedule from our lecture to
Okay.
handle all of about our laboratory.
Yeah.
Every week we have to supervise. So we have to be supervisor
Your junior.
for our practican.
Perhatikan.
We have to handle about all of about practican, and I think it's make me have much experience because I
Experience,
can
okay.
give my knowledge for my
Yeah,
practican.
sharing to
Sharing,
practical.
yeah,
and
we have like sharing session
Yeah.
or
How,
discussion.
how to make potion or drugs? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Different laboratory.
Oh yeah, yeah.
different
So,
laboratory.
what is the
What?
specific of your
Yeah.
laboratory?
My about my laboratory about pharmacy clinical.
Clinic. So,
Yeah,
what is
pharmacy
the
clinic
what is the
about-
tip of the lesson?
You have to know about the mechanism of our organ.
Our organ to consume.
work, like
To
our heart. our yeah, just
Oh.
focus to the clinic, and it will be impact if you won't work in the hospital
Okay.
or clinic.
Okay.
And I think yeah, that's all about my experience from since I was in
As assistant
yeah,
of
the
laboratory.
assistant.
Okay, how about you, Lena?
Yeah, I think
Honestly, I don't know.
Are you Samuel
No.
Hijrah? Oh,
Honestly, I just had one semester as an assistant in a
Okay.
pharmaceutical laboratory. So in a pharmaceutical laboratory, we teach our junior how to make drugs, how to
Oh, yeah.
produce it.
Yeah.
Yes. So we did it in the pharmaceutical laboratory. So and also we told them about how to make it. Start from the tools
yeah.
until also the ingredients and
How to mix all of the ingredients.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Relate to your statement before that. You say you in laboratory to make potion or drugs. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I wanna ask you something about fake. I don't know exactly what is the name of it, but fake cosmetic. Yeah. Do you have you ever to do experiment of the cosmetic? So actually, if we want to what is it compare about between the good cosmetic or and with the bad cosmetic. So how can we see the difference of them about the cosmetic?
Yeah. So I ever hear about that because now because
Yeah,
um,
many UKM. Yeah,
yes, many UKM made the
sell many type of cosmetic.
yes, many type of pharmacy outside, but we don't know is it safe
Yeah, yeah.
safe for us or not.
Yeah.
And I would hear about it, and also now because I take cosmetology class.
Yeah.
I also take
That's important, yeah.
cosmetology class, and
Yeah.
our teacher has teach us about that. So if you want to know what is the safe cosmetic for you or not, it start from the ingredients, and also if you want to make sure that it's really safe for you, please relate it to the BPOM.
BPO.
Yes, BPOM.
BPOM. Yeah.
Yes, in Indonesia we call it BPOM, and
Yeah,
also
BPOM.
in
Let's
America we
mention
call
in
it
Indonesia. Okay. BPOM. BPOM, guys.
BPOM.
Yeah. BPOM. Yeah.
in Indonesia we
Go
call
ahead.
it BPOM.
Okay.
So just see it in the barcode. Yeah, you can scan.
Oh.
Yeah, and also Bpom have an application. It's application to scan the product. So if you want to know it's
The safety of
safe product or not,
product,
because
yeah.
Bpom have so many requirements and also term of condition how to launch the drug.
That's connect to the BPOM,
Yes.
BPOM,
BPOM.
yeah, BPOM, like situs, yeah,
Yeah.
sites, website, yeah.
Yeah. So I will suggest
Yeah.
you to, if you want to really make sure about your cosmetic is really safe for you or not. So the first is you must see the ingredients. And also, after you see the ingredients, please relate it to the preservative, because some of the people has allergy with the several ingredients, especially for the preservative.
Yeah.
Because and also please relate it to the Bpom. You can also download the Bpom application. In the Bpom application, you can scan the barcode from your cosmetic, and it's directly in Bpom will immediately show you about
that
your product,
Yeah.
your product, and you can also see the expired date,
Okay.
and about your product,
About the ingredients.
about the
product.
ingredients,
But
the
sometimes,
functions.
in the fun fact, fun fact. Actually, I always find the product there is no barcode. That's the problem. So
Yeah.
actually, that's it is dangerous product.
I think it's not safety, because
Yeah.
if you want
There is
to,
no guarantee.
yeah,
There's no guarantee.
in the how to say kemasan, I will say it. Packaging.
Packaging.
Bpom has really, how to say, detail. If you want to launch drug, if you
Okay.
want to
Register your product and
register your product,
Bpom, okay.
it's really has the detailed term of condition. So
Oh.
especially for the packaging. So in the packaging, Bpom has several like we must
To evaluate our product, before before we register
before your registration.
Okay, in Bpom,
In Bpom, because we had experience to make some product and also packaging. So in the packaging, it must have provide barcode.
Oh.
It must provide barcode. So
Yeah,
if your cosmetic product don't have a barcode, I'm pretty sure
It
that
is
it's
not guarantee
sure.
that that product is good for you.
Yeah.
For people, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so BPCians who wants to use a cosmetic, don't forget to check your product first. Yeah, if you don't get a barcode of the packaging, so please get out from your cosmetic, from your lemari, so don't use it. It is it is not guaranteed for it is not guaranteed to save your body. Okay. So I think that's all our focus today, and thank you so much for one of you guys, and see you later.